Multiple achievements were made on Thursday at a conference focused on cooperation between China and Hungary under the Belt and Road Initiative framework. Under the guidance of China's State Council Information Office, the conference was co-hosted by Xinhua News Agency and Hungary's ATV Media Group in Budapest. Xinhua has always been committed to concentrating efforts and contributing to the joint building of the Belt and Road between the two countries, President of Xinhua News Agency Fu said while addressing the event. Fu said the conference aims to further implement the consensus reached by leaders of the two countries and promote pragmatic cooperation at various levels across the board so as to make new and greater contributions to the Belt and Road cooperation between the two countries with more innovative results. Fu noted that Xinhua will continue to provide in-depth coverage of high-level interactions between the two countries and present major achievements of the two countries' high-quality Belt and Road cooperation in an all-round and multi-perspective manner. Stressing efforts to strengthen exchanges with Hungarian think tanks, Fu also urged making full use of platforms and mechanisms, including the World Media Summit and the Belt and Road Economic Information Partnership, to roll out even more tangible results. Fu also stressed the importance of providing services for China-Hungary cooperation in various areas and better promoting the in-depth integration of the BRI cooperation and Hungary's opening to the East policy. Hungary and China have achieved fruitful results in Belt and Road cooperation, Hungarian Minister for National Economy Martin Nagy said at the conference, citing the Hungary-Serbia railway project as an example. Hungary sees China's economic development as an important opportunity, Nagy said, stressing that investment from Chinese companies including Bank of China, CATL, and BYD has been driving the development of related industries. Nagy said Hungary is willing to strengthen mutually beneficial cooperation with China in areas such as infrastructure and high-tech and act as a link between China and Europe. Liu Hongcai, deputy head of the Chinese Association for International Understanding, called for efforts from various sectors of the two countries to thoroughly implement the important consensus reached by the leaders of the two countries and further promote people-to-people exchanges and mutual learning between civilizations. More momentum for future-oriented cooperation should be fostered, and cooperation platforms at all levels should make full use of their advantages to respond to global challenges, Liu said. Liu voiced his hope that people from all walks of life in the two countries will make active contributions to promoting bilateral relations. During the past years, economic ties and trade between the two countries have flourished, said Thomas Kovacs, CEO of ATV. Based on the extensive cooperation between ATV and Chinese media outlets, the audience is able to have a better understanding of the fruitful achievements of the two countries' joint efforts, Kovacs said, adding that such cooperation will be carried on to help the two peoples to better understand each other's culture and values. Participating guests also visited a photo exhibition on the pragmatic BRI cooperation between China and Hungary.